Hi, and welcome to this Introduction to Kotlin tutorial. So this tutorial is for you if you have little programming experience and you want to learn the Kotlin programming language. So Kotlin is a programming language that you can use for building Android apps, desktop applications, and web applications. So this tutorial is intended for you if you're a complete beginner and you want to learn the Kotlin programming language. If you are moving from Java and you want to learn the Kotlin programming language, this tutorial is probably not for you because I will be covering basic things starting from the basic syntax, various programming things such as variables, functions, and things like that. If you already have experience with various programming languages, then this tutorial will probably be below your scope of level. However, if you're new to programming or you want to learn the Kotlin programming language as a beginner, then go ahead and start watching this tutorial. Throughout the tutorial, you're going to use IntelliJ, and if you don't have IntelliJ installed, you're going to see how you can install it and how you can start writing your Kotlin code on IntelliJ. So that's pretty much it. And in the next video, we're just going to see how you can download and install IntelliJ so that we can get ready for writing Kotlin code. So I will see you next time.